jug water filter I've just bought from Amazon. Let's see what's in the box. The reason I went for this one, I've already got a Brita filter, but it doesn't seem to be stopping any scaling in the kettle and the Tassimo and things like that. And this one was only £20 for 6 months of clean water. So instead of just buying replacement filters, I'm going for this. Give it a try. Right, what's in the box? One lid. One, two filters. The jug itself, and some instructions. And this is always the good bit. Try and it's like taking wrapping off a lampshade. Have you ever done that? There we go. Take that out. Packing. A third filter, because these filters last 2 months each. Of the jug. And inside the jug, 6 little feet. Right, let's go wash all of this up and have a quick read the instructions and see what gives. After washing all the components, you need to open up one of the filters and soak it in a bowl of water for 10 to 15 minutes according to the instructions. After that time, empty the bowl and assemble your jug. So we start off with the jug itself. The filter goes into the base of the top water container, the unfiltered container, and it just pushes in and a slight turn to lock it, which is the simplest method I've seen in a water filter. It's easier than the Brita one, because the Brita one you have to push down and it feels like it's going to break it every time. Then you simply put the lid on, open the louvers and fill the top with water. You don't take the lid off, you just pour straight through the louvers. There's a little sliding button that opens and closes the louvers on the handle. After you've filled it with water, you let it filter through. Well, there you are. That's my unboxing of the Aqua Optima. I've been using it now for about 2 weeks, nearly 2 weeks. And it is a lot easier. It took a couple of days to get used to the filling system. I know it sounds weird, but if you're topping it up, then I would recommend only putting about half the top tank in at any one time. If you have too much water in the top tank, then when you go to pour it, it leaks all around the seams because it's not coming up through the filter, it's coming out through the unfiltered tank. But if you only fill it so you can fill the bottom tank up, or just slightly over the bottom tank, then you're fine. So apart from that, it's easy to hold, it's easy to use, it pours really fast. Compared to the Aqua Optima, it pours really fast, and it's got a nice clean pour. So yes, I would recommend this. For £20 and 6 months supply of filtered water, I would definitely recommend it. So I'll leave a link below to where I got it on Amazon. I hope this review has been of benefit to you, and hopefully I'll do some more reviews of the products I buy on Amazon to help people out. Thank you for watching. Check out my other channels, my other playlists. I've got an online diary of my mental health and several other things on how to do things, like create subtitles on YouTube, comical ones like how to run a bath for the absolutely inane people in your life that couldn't do it without help. And I thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and reading this review. Thank you very much. Goodbye.